Alright, this is my attempt at making a video on the rear wheel and tire removal on a 2008 KLR 650. And as you can see, I need to use up, means I'm a KLR guy, I got the most bang for my buck, so I had to use up that tire. Alright, first step. Ice cold Busch Light. Makes the job go a little easier. And I have replaced the cotter pin with this little B-clip or whatever you want to call it. Just makes life easier. And pop that out. I'll put this on the tripod. The wrenches. 19 and a 27. And for video making purposes, I previously loosened this nut. You didn't have to sit there and watch me cuss and swear to try to get the nut off for the first few minutes. That up. I usually just don't go all the way to the end. And knock the axle through. Take a little weight off the axle, work it out, pull it out, slide the wheel forward, move the chain from the sprocket, pull the wheel straight back. And the wheel is off. Pretty simple. That's it for now. I'll get things prepped and maybe do a video on showing how to get this tire off the rim.